Repeat it for the class. You said I look like what? You said I look like a dirt. Drew. That's crazy.
She's lying. Wait, I might have heard it. I think I heard her say that. No.
PC push. I saw these like. Okay. Okay, hold on. Like somebody's old ass granny. I don't like that. Say. We've lost it. We've lost it. I'm giving up on the earrings. Alright guys, we are here at breakfast. It's 9:09 a.m. and my appointment is at 10:30. I'm just having some miso soup, hash browns, chicken sausage, and fruit, and a pineapple juice. I forgot my mic upstairs, so hopefully you guys can hear me. If not, I'll just do a voiceover. Let me show you the food. So, yeah, I will continue eating and then I'll see you guys next. Okay guys, so I didn't get a lot of content at the Chat to Check weekend market that I went to. I did post one TikTok about what I did there, and you can go check that out on my TikTok, which is on the screen. This is also from a TikTok I made about the spa experience I had. It is the Eden Ultimate Spa in Bangkok, and it was such a lovely time. This is just a little synopsis of what I did, what I saw. I had like a full body massage and scrub, a head massage, and that little lady beat me up. Alright guys, we are here at the Joe's Fair Market and it is insane. As you can see, there are people everywhere. I made my way back to the beginning of the market because I haven't eaten anything. And when I mean eat, I'm at the liquor store. I also met a really nice girl and she's so pretty. I should have made friends with her. I literally just saw her pass, so that was the little smile I gave her. I hope she has a great day. She's really pretty. If she passes again, I'm gonna call her over. I'm gonna make a friend today, y'all. Will she make a friend? Will she not? Good luck, Charlie. All right, so this is the Blue Hawaiian soda. I got it with some liquor in it because, of course. I forgot the price of it. I will let you know at the end, and we're gonna do our first taste. Here we go. First taste. I spilled some. Hold on. Let me turn it. That is not bad at all. I know this is about to hit me like a ton of bricks because I haven't eaten and it's hot, but it's fine because there's food stalls everywhere. I want you guys to pay attention to my eyes because I guarantee you next time I come back, they're gonna be glossy and red. I'm also still gonna see if I can try and find that girl again. Like, I really wanna make a friend. Ooh, somebody has some fruit. I kinda want some fruit. I should have had like a gummy or something before coming here, but that's fine. We're gonna have the drink and enjoy. Okay. Okay guys, we are trying the...
Who that lady over there needs to chill?
Here we go. good. It's like almost a zestiness to it. I definitely could have just had one, but I wasn't sure if I could just do one. So I did the deal for 3. Next time I'll definitely ask, but I'll give these, I feel like a 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. Okay guys, so we are currently at the airport waiting for our second flight to Chiang Mai. I don't really have any plans today. I was thinking about getting my hair braided, but it really just depends on what it looks like when I land. It's currently 11:39 a.m. and we board at 11:55. It's a short flight, so it's not too bad. Go to the hotel, relax, check in, and then I'm going to go to Long Spot Road, I believe is what it's called, and maybe get our hair braided. But I was so nervous because I could not fit my second luggage into the big suitcase, and there's a whole debacle about it. Like, I told my parents I didn't want a certain suitcase, and I brought it anyway, and then they started to pack it a certain way after I had already packed it a certain way. It was just a lot. So I was a little annoyed at that, but what's important is we got here, and security was a breeze. It literally took me 3 minutes to get into check-in. Basically no time to get through like the first domestic security checkpoint, and then the second checkpoint also a breeze too, but that's just for domestic. I'm not sure what it looks like for international, so we'll see how that looks, and then it'll be good to compare it when I get to Chiang Mai going to Krabi. So we will be boarding soon, and I will keep you guys posted. Okay, bye. Okay guys, I'm here with
Asha baby, Treasure's Journey, you know the vibe. Hi.
We're here at the Chiang Mai market, and yeah, we're having fun.
The little bitch red flag, you gotta run with it and never look back.
What did you consider a red flag?
A lot.
Because I was gonna say, I just told you. Well, I was gonna say, so
I would have ran.
the stuff I've told you, you think that's a red flag?
I ran for the hills to figure out how to pay for something or treat you right. And so I'm very like, we might have to walk because it's 10:30.
Okay. Literally, I just got back in and I'm about to shower and everything, but Asha is so funny. I met her yesterday and we met up today.
My bitch post is nasty. Don't ever play with it.
Okay guys, so I am at the Elephant Nature Park in Chiang Mai. This nature park is a 100% humane place. There's no touching, no feeding, no riding. A lot of the elephants here were saved from logging, which is like carrying the lumber on your back. They were used for tourism, which is why you'll see a lot of them have like some ailments in their legs or a handicap. A lot of the elephants are also blind, so there's just a lot of different things going on here. The elephants with like little ridges in their ears, as you see for some of them, come from like hooks. Some of them have like handicapped limbs, as you can see on two of the elephants here. Tumors, it's just a lot. I was very grateful to have this experience because we are in the enclosures with them, and it was just so beautiful. If you know me, you know I love elephants, so I was just so blessed to be able to have this experience, and of course I had to share it with you guys.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
And Drew, we'll find a place for you. Maybe I'll take you to Europe. I'm clipping that. Oh yeah. Stream, did you hear that? Repeat it for the class, Drew. Repeat it for the class. You said I look like what?
She's lying. Wait, I might have heard it. I think I heard her say that. No.
That's crazy. I am just appalled. Y'all, these things are huge and so cute though. Aren't they cute? There's something. You see their feet? So like, maybe when we go on a cruise, we can go to Thailand and you can see the elephants, because we're supposed to do.
I know you touched my drum set, and I want to hear that dirty little mouth admit it.
Get out of my face, or I'm gonna roundhouse your ass.
You swear on your mom's life that you didn't touch it then?
I don't have to swear to shit!
Bitch, get the back. Don't touch me, bitch. Come on, bitch. Come on.
Get out
Come on.
of here. Everybody get out, because I'm getting active too. I'm getting active too.
Oh, right, right.
That's it, Rolly. That's it. Let go, Rolly.
I'm next. Let's go.
Let go, Rolly.
I'm next.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
I would like you guys to add coconut milk, 1 big spoon. Can you get the big spoon? 1 big spoon like this, everyone. Okay.
Right now we are making hot and sour soup, and we did some custom white chicken noodles. I'm currently waiting for the water to boil so I can finish the broth for it. Go ahead and add in our items.
It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake. If the way is hazy, you gotta do the cooking by the book. You know you can't be lazy. Never use a messy recipe. The cake will end up crazy. If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have a...
Break it down, bitch! Let me see you back it up! Drop that ass down, load it, pick that motherfucker up! Break it down, bitch! Let me see you back it up! Drop that ass down, load it, pick that motherfucker up! Now back that pussy, she's a motherfucker! Hey, back that pussy, she's a motherfucker! Now back that pussy, she's a motherfucker! Hey, back that pussy! pussy teeth a motherfucker.
It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake. What? If the way is hazy, you gotta do the cooking by the book. What? You know you can't be lazy. Never use a messy recipe. What? The cake will end up crazy if you do the cooking by the book.
And many stems are small.
Okay guys, we're camping at Not Loud Beach. If you know me, you know I'm not just but we can't put two and two together. And I don't have a life lesson, but I think I can make it in this water. Shout out to Matt and Gerard for being little fishies or not how to try. So I don't see that many fish here, but let's see what we can find.
That's just a stupid boulder.
It's not just a boulder. It's a rock. A rock. A rock. It's a big, beautiful old rock.
Okay, we are on our way to the 4 Islands. I'm on a private launch pad.
Warm and fun like apple pie. You heat me up and cool me down. Come have a slice, I'm twice as nice. When you wash me down with lemon ice, pinch my sides, cover my eyes. Pick me up and ring me round. Don't wanna fight, I'm yours tonight. Smooth as whiskey, take me down. I'm a summer night on an endless day. Just like a child, I wanna play a game, going hide and seek. You can be the student, I can help you teach. Every day I can fall in love with you, oh lover, again. Your sweetest pie, come and kiss my thigh and melt me till I'm wet again. Fire in the sky as I bat my eye, you go and bite my lip again. I'm so mischievous, leaning for a kiss. Baby, you are my bestest friend. Don't even have to call you.
Everybody say hi to stream. Well, I mean to vlog. I'm trying to, seeing if I can fix the camera on. So, Gerard, don't be like, where's the content? Listen.
Literally.
I don't think there's coming back from this. This does not look like.
24th birthday? Aren't you about to be 24?
No, I'm gonna be 25. How old are you gonna be, Drew?
Why am I even brought into this? I literally am being